Welcome to this short video on label assemblies. The label assemblies command is just a small little command where you can throw on a label on every assembly. To demonstrate this, I'm going to come up here to the Kobe Toolkit ribbon. I'm going to go to Label Assemblies. The Label Assemblies dialog box comes up. You have two options, either label all of the assemblies or you can select them on screen. I'm going to say label them all. Your text style, so you can pick the style that you want to use. I'm going to use standard. You can specify your text height, an X offset or a Y offset. I go OK here. There you can see that they've been labeled up. Now if I want to change this, I can go right back up to the command to Label Assemblies. And you can change any of these values. Maybe I want to change this to say a -10. And go OK. And there it updates those labels. This concludes this short video on label assemblies. I hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching.